Hello everyone. So in this video we will be building this great project. Here you see this is the MS Word clone, and if we add new, then let's say my document and submit. You can also press enter, and then you see that this is added. Again I add another document, second one, and this is added again, and you can also delete this. You can edit this as well, and as you can see, you have this editor, and not only this, you have these functions here as well, and these all work. Here, these functionalities we will be implementing later on. Okay, this full screen definitely works. You can press escape, and this edit actually works. So I type something and undo. Look at that. I write this again, and here I add anything of my choice. I go back, I come back and see this is also persisted. Alright, so this is the thing that you are going to build using the Reactjs, Redux, Tailwind CSS, Vite, and React Quill.js. Alright, so without wasting time, let's get started.